Hi guys. I would like to start my video with the thanks for the support in previous video. Our today's topic will also be helpful for you, like the previous ones. Let's start our video in which we will learn about the interesting topic which would be array. This will also help you to learn the language easily. This topic has a great importance in different languages. My friend will explain you about this topic. I hope you will learn with joy.
Arrays are one of the most commonly used data structures in programming languages. Arrays are one of the fundamental data structures in many programming languages. In a nutshell, an array is a collection of elements that can be accessed in sequential order. Each element in the array is identified by an index, which is usually an integer. Arrays are frequently used to store data in memory, and they can be very versatile. For example, an array can be used to store a list of values, a set of variables, or a collection of objects. They allow you to store multiple values together in a single location. This makes arrays a great way to store data that you need to access frequently.